Hi guys, so I kind of planned this video a little differently, but like nothing was going according to plan. So here I am. It is a school night. It is currently 10:26 and I've been trying to figure out how I wanted to do this. Like I had a vision. Let's just cut to the chase. We're doing a skincare routine and I thought I should look cute, but like it's just my skin and this is me without makeup. So I thought, you know, since I didn't wear makeup to school today, I did want to film a updated skincare routine because I literally haven't done one since the summertime, and that wasn't even like my real one. That was just like my travel skincare routine. So like this is like my lazy teenager that's breaking out literally every other week skincare routine. So anyway, yeah, let's get to the timestamp where I actually start, you know, cleaning my face, and I will put that like down below in the comment section or something for you guys to click on. But I thought I'd just like explain my skin first so you guys know what type of skin I have, and it would like, you know, make more sense if you wanted to try out the products that I use. So if you want to know all my skincare stuff, please keep watching. And yeah, I'm 18 years old, so I guess I'm still like a teenager, and I have oily skin. I wouldn't say acne prone, but like it's sort of oily acne prone because like I break out pretty easily. Other things like my diet, I'm not a super healthy eater, hence why like I never do like health videos. I literally eat like crap. Like there's a McDonald's bag right there. Like I'm not even like I'm horrible with my diet. Like it's so sad, but I do drink a lot of water recently. Definitely this year I've been drinking a lot more water. I know this is like a thing that people like always say in their videos or whatever, and like you can be really lazy with water. Like I know I felt so guilty all the time because all these skincare videos would be like, yeah, you know,
hydrate your skin from the inside so it looks good on the outside.
You know, I feel like ever since I started drinking more water, especially in the mornings, like right when I wake up and like while I'm getting ready to sleep, like I just drink water, or I try to, a lot. I don't really know how much I drink a day because I have oily skin. Oily skin is actually super dehydrated skin. I think that at least that's the case for me. My skin is just super dehydrated. So what I try to do in the whole scheme of my skincare routine is to hydrate like as much as possible, and if I hydrate from the inside with water, then it should help my skin kind of balance out how oily it is, and because like the oil kind of just causes all this acne problems. So like I've seen that the more I hydrate, the more I drink water, and the more I take care of my skin with hydrating products and things like that, the better my skin is and the better it feels. Because when it gets oily, I look horrible. Like I look disgusting. Like I am like it's like you like poured oil on my face or something. There's like a film, like it's bad. Like I have such oily skin. Like I know what you mean when you have like super oily skin. Like that's me. Anyway, drink water. Other health stuff I don't know about. I'm not a professional, don't come for me. I'm just telling you what my skincare routine is. So the very first thing I do is actually remove any makeup, and I have two products I like to use, but today I'm not really wearing makeup, so we're gonna skip out on this one. But this is the Bliss makeup melt, and it's just the most gentle like makeup oil remover, like kind of like a cleansing balm, but this is just kind of just a jelly oil. So I think it's kind of like the same thing. Like it feels like the same thing to me, except it doesn't make my like, it doesn't like cloud my vision, which usually happens with like Vanilla Co's Clean at Zero and all the other solid cleansers that I use. But I do like them. But currently for the past like couple of months I've been working on this and I love it. So, and if I'm not using that, I'm probably just using like a makeup remover, but that's irrelevant because I don't use that every day. But for days that I'm not wearing like heavy makeup or anything, I use Son&Park's Beauty Water, and I like seriously love this stuff so much. I also use this as a toner, but we'll get to that. I'm like jumping way ahead of the game. I'm so sorry. And I actually have to open a new packet of cotton today, and this is the Shiseido facial cotton. It's just good, okay? I prefer this. I just put a little bit in the center, and I just remove any kind of face makeup, oils. I don't know. It's just like a nice first step. Let's get into the cleanser. I use a couple different ones throughout the whole year, but like my main theme is just like a basic for all skin types kind of cleanser. Like that's what I use. So right now I'm working on my low pH first cleansing milk gel from COSRX, and I use this little silicone little facial brush thing. So in circular motions I just cleanse my face. It literally looks like I'm not doing anything, but I swear I'm washing my face. I guess I kind of like that this cleanser doesn't foam up too much. It's just like a nice milky gentle cleanser, but my skin actually hates when I use anything with the word acne in it. Like it's just way too strong for it, so I just resulted to using something that's like kind of multi-use or all skin types kind of thing, and it works really well for me. So anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and wash this off with cold water. I actually split my lip in the process, so we're gonna apply a little bit of lip mask because that's skincare too, guys. Don't neglect your lips, especially in the wintertime, because it is so freaking cold and windy and dry outside that your lips will freaking crack. Soy actually got me on this shit. This is the Bite Beauty Agave lip mask, and like I aspire to have, you know, nice plump healthy looking lips like Soy, so I have this. So after cleansing and everything, I go in with toner. So beauty water is pretty much like an all-around like multi-use kind of thing for me. I'm pretty sure that's how it's marketed because that's how I use it. Yeah, you can use it to remove your makeup, tone your face and everything. So I go in again and just kind of prep my face for moisturizer. So currently for moisturizer, I am using the Tatcha The Water Gel, which is sort of expensive, actually quite expensive. So I will link or list some of my other favorite moisturizers and skincare products down below, like any substitutions, other favorites down below for you guys to check out, because I actually have tried so many moisturizers that I really like. I've used Tatcha The Water Cream. This is the gel version, but the water cream is wonderful. I love Bliss Aqua Bomb. I really like the watermelon moisturizer from Glow Recipe. All of that, they're all kind of like a gel texture. This is definitely a gel because it's like labeled as one, but all of them are kind of watery gel based, which is really good for oily skin, but they're all also very hydrating. It's targeted towards hydrating your skin, so that's like the main point here. You want to like freaking hydrate. So, and I actually really like this water gel because it like sinks into the skin really well, and I just feel super nice and glowy in the morning. Like it actually it works. I love this stuff. I also wanted to talk about some of my my favorite masks, I guess, because I freaking love this one. I literally just used it the other day, but I am so in love with it. I'm gonna go like bulk order it, but it's the ACNE dressing mask pack. I know I literally just said I hate things that are labeled acne, but I put this on the other day and it's actually really good, and it's quite gentle. It doesn't smell like harsh chemicals or anything, and it's just like separate little pads that you can like put on your face at the directed areas, and it's so good. But usually I go with sleeping masks or anything super hydrating. So I also love the Watermelon Glow sleeping mask. This is great for hydrating. I actually might throw this on tonight after I get ready for bed, or like right before I get ready for bed, because it's just really hydrating, and it makes my skin feel so healthy and glowy in the morning, but not like the oily kind. It's kind of like that nicer kind of glow. Yeah, but I love this. I also really like the Tatcha Luminous Dewy Skin Mist. This is really good for that dewy glow. I use this on top of my makeup as well, but you can use this kind of like on its own right after your skincare routine. As you guys know, I adore the Mario Badescu skincare facial sprays. The aloe one specifically, I actually will put this on like right now. That's kind of like the basics. I love, you know, hydrating things, sleeping masks, lip mask, like, if you didn't get that I just hydrate, that's all I do, okay? I also forgot to mention that when I do break out with like humongous white ugly looking pimples, those have to be solved like within a day. And like my lifesavers are these guys right here. I have a lot of them. I love these. These are the COSRX Acne Pimple Master Patches, and these are little pimple stickers that you just put on your face, and then the next day the pimple's literally like gone. So I know, amazing. But how I use it is I only put them on pimples that literally look like they're about to burst, but you can't pop them because it's like bad for you. So I always put on a pimple patch when I know it's literally about to break, but I don't want to like ruin my skin. So I put on a little pimple patch, and the next day it's literally like so deflated, and you'll look great. It's just flat, it's perfect. And I also love the Clear Fit Master Patches because these are thinner than the originals, and you could put makeup over this or just wear this on its own, and it's barely noticeable. Like you can't even tell. Like they're so invisible. I love these. So I will also link those down below for you guys to check out. And that is all for today's video. I will see you guys in my next one. Thank you guys so much for watching. And yeah, that's all. That's it. Bye. Bye.
Yeah. I've been feeling so down. Yeah. Can you tell me why? Can you tell me why I'm down? Yeah. No friends of mine around. Yeah. Now I'm thinking